how to write best marketing cold email. Cold email marketing can be a powerful tool for growing your network, booking more calls, or building brand partnerships. With our platform, users send cold emails across a wide range of industries, from real estate to software houses. Why? Because cold emails can be a game changer. But here is the catch. Not all cold emails are created equal. Today, we're diving into the most crucial laws of cold marketing that you need to know if you want your emails to get opened, read, and most importantly, replied to. I'll be sharing tips on everything from crafting the perfect email to setting up a whole campaign, so stick with me. Let's go. Tip 1. Personalize your approach. Personalization is key. Forget about sending out mass emails with generic greetings. No one wants to feel like they're just another name on a massive email list, right? Take the time to research your recipient. Mention something specific about their company, or even better, something that they've done recently that caught your eye. For example, instead of saying, "Hey, I loved your recent LinkedIn post," you could say, "Hey, name, I just finished reading specific topic report." See the difference? It is more specific and it shows you've done your homework and aren't just sending a generic email. Tip number 2, have a strong subject line. Let's talk about subject line, because let's be real, if your subject line doesn't grab the attention, your email might never get opened. Your subject line needs to be intriguing, but not clickbaity. You can try a personalized approach by referencing something specific you've discovered about the prospect, like their favorite sport or restaurant they're obsessed with, or have mentioned somewhere. However, you'll need to smoothly tie it into the email to make a seamless transition into the main message. A simpler approach is to use a straightforward subject line that aligns with the content of your email, such as partnership idea. It's easy to incorporate into the email and clearly indicates why you're reaching out to this person. Tip number 3, follow up but don't spam. Following up is crucial, but there's a fine line between persistence and being annoying. If you don't get a reply after your first email, wait a few days, then send a follow-up. Usually 3 to 4 emails in a campaign are the standard, and that's how you increase your reply rate. Our app knows this as well, so we will always encourage you to add some follow-ups. You can also incorporate additional channels like LinkedIn between emails. However, in a standard sequence, the likelihood of receiving a response tends to decline after the 4th email. When planning your follow-ups, ensure each one offers new value. Avoid sending just an emoji or a basic "just pumping this up" message. Craft your follow-ups in such a way so that they can work on their own. Keep it short, but provide some context. If you haven't received a response after several follow-up messages, consider using the last message as an attempt to salvage the sale. Try, "Hi, first name, I get the sense that the problem you mentioned isn't a priority right now. Would it be a bad idea to reach out in 3 months just to check if it's on your radar?" Tip number 4, provide value upfront. Offer value right away. Don't just talk about your product or service. Provide something useful. Whether it's a free ebook, a case study, or an industry insight, giving value upfront shows that you're interested in helping, not just selling. This builds trust and increases the likelihood of a response. Tip number 5, end with a clear call to action. Always include a clear call to action. Don't just sign off with "let me know if you're interested." Whether you want them to schedule a call, download a guide, or simply reply, make your ask clear and straightforward. A well-defined call to action guides the recipient toward the next step. If you need ready-to-use example, check out this video dedicated entirely to call to actions. By applying these tips, you'll be on a path to becoming a pro at cold email marketing. It doesn't have to be complicated or scary. Just remember to keep it personal, concise, and always provide value. If you still need more examples of what a good cold email should look like, join me in this video, where we'll transform a not so good email into an effective one. It'd be awesome if you could hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to stay in touch. Take care and see you soon.